back again. Okay, so I'm starting to feed this stuff. As you can tell, it can be a little tight fit, but it's just kind of the way they go. You know, it's, maybe I'll learn from next time to do it a little bit. Oops, turn that off. I'm sure there's people out there that can do it a whole lot better than I can. So that's the way that goes. I'm so happy for them. I could just, yeah. Okay, white one. Okay, let's get this through here. Now there's a problem that I'm going to have to end up cutting the film off for. And that, my friend, is there's a bit of a problem. I can't seem to find the screws to go to this thing. Oh, what is? Well, that's all I got. So, where'd it go? Where'd it go? I'm missing something, guys. There it is. Yeah, this is red, right? Yeah, say this goes up here. All right. Again, I was informed by one of my subscribers that, well, you got to start showing more what you're doing. So, okay, I'm doing it. I'm showing it. Okay. Look at that mess. That's a mess. But it all works and it's all the way it's supposed to be. So, I'm you know, whatever. I am that, I guess, you know. I'm just like, well, okay. Wow. Okay. Let's get this puppy. And let's go back here. Woo. All right, let's kick this up a little bit. Hey, guys. What's up? That's happened to me more than once, man. More than once. Let me... okay, well, I dropped it, lost it, so I thought I'd just put it kind of together for you. And we have electricity. Cool. Okay, I tell you what, I'm going to let you guys go for a second. I'm going to go try to find these screws. I'm not going to have us wandering around together looking for these screws. So, isn't that something? Like my nephew's like, how tall are you? Like, well, almost. Some weird stuff, brother. Some weird stuff. Woo-hoo. Anyway, he said, how old are you? I said, well, about 6'1", and he's 6'2", and he's like, because my head. And I said, look, dude, let me stand up for you. I stood up, and I'm like pressing against these, like, oh my gosh, you are. It's like, yeah. I just don't walk that way. It's not good. But anyway. All right, let me try to find some screws for this, and we'll get back. All right. Here goes the time of, we will find out shortly what's going to happen here. It's not really that great right now. I'm not really pleased with it. To screw like that, I think I messed up. I found some screws. I guess I really should have went and bought some. That's not good at all. why it would do that. That doesn't make any sense. We got issues. We got issues. Alrighty. That is not starting out well. And it's not the piece of wood, so it's going to have to be this thing, not the wood. So this one up here, yeah, that's not holding either. Yeah, now back these off. So, well, that doesn't make any sense. I backed it off. That just looks like crap. Needless to say, it ain't holding, so I've got issues. Needless to say. Needless to say, that looks like crap. Because, you know, it just does. It's over top of the, I guess, you know, the thing is, I've used bigger screws now. That just doesn't, let me go try something. I'll be right back. Okay, we're going to try something a little different. Maybe it'll work. Look, this is the thing about building, doing stuff. It's just not very, it's not very good. You know what I mean? You know, if you realize I spent over a month on this little piece of wood, a month. A month, and this thing can't be flat. What's the, you know, I don't, the wood, that doesn't make sense. I'm going to tell you right now, it doesn't make sense because the wood is right. It's got to be this other thing, but it doesn't look crooked. It's not really, you can't, I mean, where's it messed up? I don't get it. But I never do. So anyway, welcome to how it works. The real how it works. Not to, you know, for take. We got it figured out. Not that. How it really works. How things really... Of course, I mean, some of these guys are good. Some of these guys are way better than I am. It just doesn't make any sense. Maybe, I don't know. Yes, they're different screws. It just, maybe, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I never do. Anyway, I'm showing you. We got the two bottom ones in there. And it seems straight. Doesn't seem any problem. Let's put that one in and see. I don't know, man. I don't know why it would. Why it didn't hold the first time. That's a new hole, by the way. That's the old man in me. Very few things I hold on to anymore. Figuratively and literally. Too old. I'm getting anxiety attacks, man. I'm getting anxiety. It's like, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? You know, this makes some sort of sense to do some of this. And which it does. I mean, this is what I want to do. I get it. I don't know if I just made new holes. I don't know why it's all of a sudden fitting, but I'm taking it, okay? We're going to take it. There you go. It's in, it's straight, it's solid. And brother, those lights are bright. Oops, there you go. Yeah, driving down the road, that's going to be tough. I spent a lot of money for those little goomers. And I am not impressed at all. I mean, they are bright. You think that's bright? That's bright. I can't turn that out. But anyway, they work. So, got a little wood on the dash. Doesn't look as good as what's on there. But it's there. You know, it's there. Glory be. Okay, guys. That's that. Let's take a look at yeah. Let's go take a look at how the stains come along. This is turning into a long. Sorry about that, guys. I've been doing it all day. This thing has fell over like 4 times. This phone. Okay, that's 3 times. And right now that light is so bright right now in my face that I'm seeing little spots right now. So, yeah, that's 3 times. Let's pick it up. That's 3 times. It looks pretty flat, but you can still see the wood grain in it. Which it may be what's going to happen. I may just kind of like that look for the wood grain. So, I don't know, guys. We'll see. We'll see what that does. And anyway, I'm going for the 4th. And then we'll do the 5th. And we'll see how far we got to go with it. If we can even use this. Okay? See you guys in a minute.